Hello and thanks for watching. The Nixon holiday line is here and black is certainly a theme. So I pulled 4 black watches and some related apparel to show you today. For more detail or to order, please visit surfboardsetc.com or call toll-free 877-346-4410. The first watch I pulled is the Nixon Rotolog watch. It's a super hot watch. It's got the right read direct display, which means the numbers are actually rotating around a stationary hand. So all you have to do is look at the line or the stationary hand and the numbers will rotate around it, telling you what time it is. It also has enamel inlays or wood inlays along the band. Secondly, another super hot watch by Nixon is called the Banks. The Banks has 3 movements. 2 tell the time, the main one and the one in the upper left, and then the third movement is the second hand. Continuing the all-black theme, we have the Nixon key watch, and it's a bit unusual because it's got the hexagon key wrench that you can use on your surfboard fins and also use to loosen up the crown. The fourth and final watch I'll show you is the L watch for ladies, and it doubles as a bracelet. I'm showing it as the bracelet here, and then all you do is turn it around and voila, you got a watch. While you're looking at black watches, you'll also find some black apparel. This one is the Dimension Flex Fit cap. You can see the Nixon icon in front there. We also have the iconic T in black. You can see the icon in front and the company name in the rear. So again, thanks for watching. Check out these and other great products at surfboardsetc.com.